So hey guys, welcome to Etherworld. How to add Polygon Testnet to Metamask. Firstly, go to this URL mumbai.polygonscan.com. Now scroll down and click on Add Mumbai Network. A Metamask notification will pop up. Click Approve. Click on Switch Network. Now if we go back to our Metamask wallet, we can see that we are connected to Polygon Testnet. So that's all. Now we will see the second method, manual method to add Polygon Testnet to Metamask. Firstly, click on Ethereum Mainnet. You will see an option to add network. Click on it. Now it's time to fill the parameters. Write Polygon Testnet, the network name. Write rpcmumbai.maticvigil.com in new RPC URL. Write 80001 in chain ID. Write Matic in currency symbol. Write mumbai.polygonscan.com in block explorer URL. Now click on save. A notification will pop up. Polygon testnet was successfully added. Now if we click here, we can see that we are on Polygon testnet. So that's all. How to request test tokens for a Polygon testnet from Polygon faucet. So firstly we will go to URL, then we will paste our wallet or wallet address here. Check the network is Mumbai and token is Matic token. Now we will click on submit. We click on confirm and tokens will be transferred to our wallet. But we go back to our wallet, you can see that start transferring. Also refresh your Metamask wallet. So that's all. How to perform transaction on Polygon testnet. So firstly we will click on send. Then we will paste here our address where we want to transfer the amount. So we are copying this address. We will paste it here. Now we will write the amount we want to transfer. We are transferring 0.5 Matic. Now click on next. Here you can see the estimated gas fees. Click on confirm. You can see that our transaction is currently going. Here you can see our transaction is confirmed through this notification. Now if we go to our address, here you can see that we have received 0.5 Matic in the receiver's address. So that's all. Today we will learn how to add Polygon Mainnet to Metamask wallet. In this video we will see the method 1 to do. Firstly go to polygonscan.com. Now go down. Click on add Polygon network. A Metamask notification will pop up. Click on approve. Click on switch network. Now if we go to our Metamask wallet, we can see that we are on Matic Mainnet. Solve. Now we will see how to add Polygon Mainnet to Metamask using manual method. This is our second method. Now click on Ethereum Mainnet. You will see an option to add network. Click on it. Now it's time to fill our parameters. Write Matic Mainnet in network name. https polygonrpc.com in new RPC URL. (137) chain ID, Matic in currency symbol, polygonscan.com in block explorer URL. Now click on save, and here you will see the notification that Matic Mainnet was successfully added. Click here, you can see you are connected to Matic Mainnet. So that's all. Thank you.